I make.
Oh, you gotta stop talking, man. This here is Georgetown's version of Woodstock with a one-man show. The kind gentleman that makes this all happen is from Ontario. He comes on the morning net to let us know that he's gonna try and prepare a show, and weather permitting, there's quite a large turnout. He is a very talented musician and also does requests. People from all over the Anchorage gather around the back of his boat and listen to his wonderful harmonious tunes until the sun goes down. It's a great social event for everybody here at Georgetown. You can come up to somebody you don't even know, tie up to their dinghy, start talking to them, make friends. It's just a very nice atmosphere. Very enjoyable for everybody to get together and become new friends.
Guys, look at this. This is an island covered in conch shells. And these conch shells have all been eaten, right? They've all got a hole in them. They've all been harvested. There's some fresh ones up there. They're building a break wall here or something out of conch shells. Isn't that wild? That's pretty cool. Somebody's got to get off the boat. Somebody's got to be voted off.
And the torch. Vote them off the island.
Yes. Anyways, I know I've talked to you guys about this before, but relationships on a boat can be quite tough. Very tough. It's usually one person's dream and the other one comes along. Whether it be the male or female, it really doesn't matter. I know lots of women that love this lifestyle. And you know, some guys don't, you know, but they do it for their wives, and some women do it for their husbands. But regardless, being out here and not having a partner that's 100% committed, it's very tough to go. It's done, but you know, it can be quite uncomfortable sometimes for one or the other. Just be aware of that if you ever decide to do something like this. Okay, today's project, guys, fixing this sail. Look at the spot we found. Okay, we found this spot here, Georgetown, and it's the stage. Their stage. So we come here and we got power here too. So we're bringing the sewing machine. Actually, the sewing machine is lent to us by our good friends on Blown Away 2, because our sewing machine, there's something wrong. It won't zigzag. Well, it's a broken piece on it. And so these nice people are going to lend us their sewing machine. What are you doing here, Sandy? Oh, you're feeding this line. This leech line here has to go down under here, and the whole bottom of this sail ripped off. Look how tight. Look at that. Look at how it did that. The force. Now what happens here, guys, is I think I'm a little at fault here, because this is the foot of the sail, and I put a winch on the boom this year, and to tighten up that foot, the outhaul, and guess what? I think I tightened it too much. You know, sometimes I'm trying to do improvements and it actually just goes backwards. So anyways, the sail is old. Like, okay, so the sail's about 12 years old, and although it's had some it's been down in the Bahamas quite a long time, it's had some rough use. We've abused it quite a bit. Again, my fault, but you know, I'm probably the best idea is to get a new one. The UV that comes from the sun here is brutal. It's brutal on boat decks, the paints, the sails. It's just everything. I mean, you know, we're fighting salt water and UV. Salt water being the corrosive. And you know, I mean, these sails have seen a lot of salt water. And here it begins. Sandy's doing the hot knives. Remember the hot knives, guys? Yeah. Well, if you're over 60, you'll know what I'm talking about. Look how shaky Sandy is, eh? You're beautiful, dear. I don't care if you're shaky. Did I tell you Sandy loves to sew? So, yeah, this keeps her happy. So actually, if I keep ripping sales, she will be happy. And she loves to clean too. She loves to clean the mess I make.
Oh, you gotta stop talking, man.
You know, she changed a lot when she turned 50. Now at 60, it's even more. Like, she's gotten a lot meaner, and she only does what she wants now and not what I want. It's going to be a tough year, guys. It doesn't get easier. You know, they say about the 7 years thing, you know, if you make it after 7 years, it's all good. I don't, no way, guys. Can
I have the little scissors over there, please?
It's tougher as it goes. Okay, marriage is tougher as it goes. So if you can't commit,
hold that. Don't do anything with it. No, I meant the little ones.
you said scissors. You didn't mean the little one at all. You said get the scissors. Actually, I have that on video.
Can I have the little scissors over there, please?
It's
I think I'd say get the little scissors.
Okay. Does that happen to you guys all the time, eh? They say something but mean something else? I mean, we know, us guys know that. This is a Team John video.
I have to admit, this was a great place that we found in town to repair this sail that got ripped the other day. We couldn't have asked for a better location. It was nice and flat. It was just a great, clean environment. So much better than trying to do it at a rocky anchorage or on the beach where the sand was getting everywhere. With the availability of the nice consistent power here at the stadium, it turned a very difficult job almost a pleasure to complete.
Guys, just so you know, this is a sail-right machine. It's a quality, kind of expensive machine that does sail repair to go through the thicknesses. And this is not a knockoff, it's the real one, and it's doing a great job. And Sandy's doing a great job with it too, okay? I could make a joke here, but I don't know if she wants to hear. I just need the sail done first, and then I'll make the joke. How's that sound?
Okay, so here's something from one of our past videos. You know, John talks about me not getting up and how much he hates it and blah, blah, blah. Well, again, all right, I'm going to show you proof again because I did this already once. So there's the coffee going, right, in my fantastic percolator. Oh, and, oh, what? You bugger.
What? What?
He was laying down in bed and he heard me speaking and he just got up.
And dressed.
He's such a liar.
Sandy, there's work to do. You can't lie to these people. It just doesn't work.
The bed.
Oh, look at the bed.
How he rushed out of bed just now this second. I'm going to have to be more stealth then.
Okay, who do you believe here?
Me. It's Team Sandy all the way. I don't over embellish. That's John. Okay, I'm going in stealth mode now so I can catch him back in bed.
What?
This is really it.
Okay, I'm taking care.
This is really it. So, after he jumped up to say, oh, he wasn't in bed, where is he? Back in bed. No, this is the real thing.
I'm taking care of emails and comments on the video, actually, that people were kind enough to make. And I'm just waiting for my coffee, am I not? I thought I lived on a magic boat. Now I'm being questioned?
See? The real truth comes out.